This video is about what may happen to you if you are a victim of a crime. It is meant to help you, your family, friends, and support people. Crime is serious. You may be a victim of crime if someone has hurt you or caused you pain. Or you may be a victim if someone has taken something of yours without your permission. Being a victim can happen to anyone. It is not your fault. If you think you may be a victim, it is very important that you talk to someone about what happened. Talk to someone you know and trust, someone you feel safe with. Remember, you are not alone. As a victim of crime, it is important that you talk to the police. When you talk to them, you can have your own support person there with you if you want. It is the police's job to make sure people obey the law. They need to know what happened to you so that they can help. They will look into what happened and decide if a law has been broken. The person who broke the law and hurt you is called the accused. If the law has been broken, the police will give you an incident number. This is the number that the police use to keep track of each case. If the police find that the law has not been broken or cannot find the person who hurt you, the case will not be able to go any further. You have still been hurt, and it is a good idea to talk to someone to help you feel better. There are people whose job it is to work with and help victims. They might be called victim service workers. It is the job of the victim service worker to talk to you and give you information. This information may be phone numbers or names of people you can talk to. You can talk to these people to find out what will happen to you as a victim. They are there to help you. You can have your own support person with you when you talk to a victim service worker. That is your choice. The Crown Attorney is a lawyer who works for the government. The Crown Attorney will take over the case from the police. It is the Crown Attorney's job to decide if the case will go to court. If the case goes to court, it is also the job of the Crown Attorney to show that the accused broke the law. If the Crown Attorney decides that the case cannot go to court, it is not because of you. It is because the Crown Attorney has many other things to look at regarding the case. You have still been hurt, and it is a good idea for you to talk to someone to help you feel better. There is a law called the Victims' Bill of Rights. If you are a victim of the crimes listed in this law, you have a right to specific help and information. In order to get this help and information, you need to register. That means that someone will ask you some questions, like your name, address, and the incident number that the police gave you. The easiest way to register is to phone someone called a crime victim worker. You can also register by filling out a form and mailing or faxing it to the crime victim worker's office. The crime victim worker is there to help you and give you information as the case goes on. The court is the place where a case is heard. A judge is the person in charge in court. You may need to be a witness. This means you will have to tell the judge what happened to you. You may need to answer questions. If you are a witness, try to remember what happened as best you can. All you need to do is tell the truth. You can take time to answer questions. It is important that you understand the questions before you answer. If there is something you don't understand, make sure you ask someone to explain it again. You can have your support person there with you if you want. If you are not a witness, you can be in court to watch the case. It is your choice whether you go there to watch. But if you are not a witness, you will not be able to speak. There is one more important thing you can do as a victim of crime. If you want to, you can make a victim impact statement. This is a statement that is given to the judge. It tells the judge how being a victim has made you feel. You don't have to write the statement yourself. A victim service worker or your support person can help you write your feelings down. You have told someone about what happened to you. You have talked to the police and a victim service worker. You have spoken with the Crown Attorney and gone to court. You have made a victim impact statement to tell the judge how hard this has been for you. It is now up to the court to decide what will happen. You have done everything you can do. If you think you may be a victim, it is very important that you talk to someone about what happened. Talk to someone you know and trust, someone you feel safe with. Remember, you are not alone.